Good evening everyone. Today I am going to do the video on Z transformation. So Z transformation of Un. Z transformation is denoted by Zt of Un. It is a function of n. So definition of Z transformation of Un equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity Un z power minus n. Z transformation of Un, it is a function of n, that is equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity Un z power minus n. After solving this, we'll get a answer in terms of z, that is u of z. Here z transformation of un equal to u of z. This is the z transformation. Here we study some properties, that is z transformation of n power k. The property is z transformation of n power k, that is equal to minus z d by dz of z transformation of n power k minus 1. This is very important property. Z transformation of n power k equal to minus z d by dz z transformation of n power k minus 1. Before using this property, we'll solve some standard formulas, that is z transformation of 1. Z transformation of 1, it is of the form Z transformation of Un. So we are using this definition, that is equal to, in the place of Un we are having 1, that is summation n equal to 0 to infinity 1 into z power minus n, that is equal to, put n equal to 0 1, put n equal to 1 z power minus 1 plus z power minus 2 plus z power minus 3 plus so on, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 by z square plus 1 by z cube plus so on, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 by z whole square plus 1 by z whole cube plus so on. Now it is of the form 1 plus r plus r square plus so on, that is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus r. Therefore we can write z transformation of 1 equal to 1 plus r square plus r cube, means formula is 1 by 1 minus r. So in the place of r you have to substitute 1 by z. Here take LCM z, it goes to numerator, then it becomes z by z minus 1. Therefore z transformation of 1, that is equal to z by z minus 1. You should remember this formula. I'll explain once again. Z transformation of 1 equal to summation 1 into z power minus n, that is 1 plus z power minus 1 plus z power minus 2 plus z power minus 3 so on. Z power minus 1 can be written as 1 by z, z power minus 2 is 1 by z square, z power minus 3 is 1 by z cube. We can write it as 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 by z whole square plus 1 by z whole cube so on. It is of the form 1 plus r square plus r cube so on, that is 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by z. Simplify this, we'll get z transformation of 1 equal to z by z minus 1. Now we have to prove z transformation of k power n. It is of the form z transformation of un, that is equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity k power n into z power minus n, that is equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity k power n into z power minus n. Here we are having negative sign. To make it positive, we are writing this in the denominator, that is summation n equal to 0 to infinity k power n by z power n, that is equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity k by z all to the power n, that is equal to, put n equal to 0, will get 1 plus put n equal to 1 k by z plus n equal to 2 k by z whole square plus k by z whole cube plus so on. that is equal to, it is of the form 1 plus z plus r square plus r cube plus so on, that is 1 divided by 1 minus r. R is k by z, that is equal to z divided by z minus k. Therefore we should know the formula, z transformation of k power n, that is equal to z divided by z minus k. This is very important. Next, now we are finding z transformation of n. To know the derivation for z transformation of n, n square, n cube, so on, we should remember the formula. We have to find z transformation of n. So here we know that already I explained the property, that is z transformation of n power k, that is equal to minus z d by dz of z transformation of n power k minus 1. This is the property, z transformation of n power k equal to minus z d by dz of z transformation of n power k minus 1. Now put k equal to 1. Put k equal to 1 because we have to find n power 1. n power k equal to 1, that is z transformation of n equal to minus z d by dz of z transformation of k 1 minus 1 is 0, that is n power 0 is 1, that is equal to minus z d by dz of z transformation of 1. We know the formula z by z minus 1, that is equal to minus z, here u by v method, that is denominator square, into denominator into differentiation of z is 1, minus z into differentiation of z minus 1 is 1, that is equal to minus z into z minus 1 minus z divided by z minus 1 whole square, that is equal to plus z minus z get cancelled, minus 1 into minus z is plus z divided by z minus 1 whole square. Therefore z transformation of n, that is equal to z by z minus 1 whole square. This is very important problem. Next, z transformation of n square. Again we are using the same property. We have to put k equal to 2 in that property, that is z transformation of n square, that is equal to minus z d by dz of z transformation of n power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, that is equal to minus z d by dz of, what is z transformation of n? You should remember this formula, that is z divided by z minus 1 whole square. Now again we are having two functions of z. Apply u by v method, that is denominator square. Square whole square means it becomes 4, denominator into differentiation of z is 1, minus z into differentiation of denominator is 2 into z minus 1. Now don't expand this, minus z, z minus 1 square, z minus 1. We can take z minus 1 common, remaining is z minus 1 minus 2z divided by z minus 1 whole to the power 4. Z minus 1 get cancelled, that is equal to minus z, z minus 2z is minus z minus 1 divided by z minus 1 whole cube, because we already were cancelled 1 z minus 1. This is equal to, here minus minus take minus outside, minus into minus plus, z into z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 whole cube, that is equal to z into z is z square plus z divided by z minus 1 whole cube. This is the z transformation of n square. You should know the formula, z transformation of n square. Answer should be in terms of z. It should start from z square plus reduces z. N square means 2 plus 1 is 3. So here denominator we are having z minus 1 whole cube. Now we have to find z transformation of n cube. So we have to put n equal k equal to 3. That is minus z d by dz of z transformation of n square, that is equal to minus z d by dz of, how to remember the formula for z square? Now n square, it starts from z square plus z divided by z minus 1 whole cube, that is equal to minus z u by v method, that is denominator square. 3 into 2 is 6, denominator into differentiation of this one is 2z plus 1 minus z square plus z into denominator is 3 into z minus 1 whole square, that is equal to minus z into, now we have to simplify this, take z minus 1 square common here, remaining is z minus 1 into 2z plus 1 minus, here remaining is already we have taken z minus 1 whole square common, remaining is this one, 3 into z square plus z divided by z minus 1 whole to the power 6. Now you can cancel z minus 1 square, that is equal to minus z into 2z square minus 2z plus z minus 1 minus 3z square minus 3z divided by z minus 1 whole to the power 4, that is equal to minus z into 2z square minus 3z square is minus z square, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 6, minus 6 minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, minus 5 plus z is minus 4z, again remaining is minus 1 divided by z minus 1 whole to the power 4. Take minus outside, then it becomes z cube plus 4z square plus z divided by z minus 1 whole to the power 4. This is the formula for z transformation of n cube. Z transformation of n cube start from z cube plus 4z square plus z divided by z minus 1 whole to the power 4. This is also very important one. Next, damping rule. So first one is z transformation of k power n into un. We can write this is u of z divided by k. Already I explained z transformation un is only u of z, but when we are having un along with k power n, in the place of z we have to replace z by k. We have to replace z by k. Z transformation of k power minus n into un. So you have to write u of z into k. Suppose we are having k power minus n, z transformation of un is u of z. In the place of z, you have to put zk. This is damping rule. Here we are having some applications of damping rule. First one is z transformation of k power n into n. Already we know that z transformation of n. So first we should find z transformation of n. After finding z transformation of n, we will get function u of z. In z, we have to replace, it is k power n. We have to replace z. We have to replace z to z by k. That is equal to, what is z transformation of n? Z transformation of n means we know the formula, n power 1 means answer is z power 1 divided by z minus 1 whole square. Here we have to replace z to z divided by k. That is equal to z by k divided by z by k minus 1 whole square. Now simplify z by k into, here LCM is k, that is z minus k whole square. Simplify this, z by k, here k square, it goes to numerator, divided by z minus k whole square. K get cancelled, answer is zk divided by z minus k whole square. This is the formula for z transformation of k power n into n. This type of Problems are important. What is z transformation of n? First you should write z by z minus 1 whole square. But k power n into n. K power n into n means multiply by k. Then in the place of 1 we should write k. This is z transformation of k power n into n. Next we should find z transformation of k power n into n square. How to write? First we should find z transformation of n square. Here we have to replace z to z by k. That is equal to, what is z transformation of n square? N square means it is z square plus z divided by z minus 1. Square means it becomes 3. Here we have to replace z to z divided by k. Now we should write z by k whole square plus z by k. In the place of z I am substituting z by k divided by z by k minus 1 whole cube. That is equal to, here LCM is k square. If we take k square LCM in the numerator, it becomes z square plus, here k LCM means z into k divided by k is LCM, remaining is, it becomes z minus k whole cube. That is equal to z square plus zk divided by k square into k cube. It goes to numerator divided by z minus k whole cube. K square get cancelled. Now multiply by k. It becomes z square k plus z k square divided by z minus k whole cube. This is the formula for z transformation of k power n into n square. See how we are written. N square is z square plus z by z minus 1 whole cube. K power n means just you have to multiply by k. Here multiply by k square, because in each term we should get power 3. To get 3, only 2 is there. To get 3 we should take k power 1. Here z power 1 is there. Make 3, you have to take k square. Here 1 becomes k cube. Similarly, how to find z transformation of k power n into n cube? Here we know the formula for z transformation of n cube is z cube plus 4z square plus z divided by z minus 1 whole to the power 4. Here replace z to z by k. After simplifying, here put z to z by k whole cube plus 4 z by k whole square plus z divided by k whole divided by z by k minus 1 whole power 4. You have to simplify this, we'll get the final answer. Here z cube, so z cube we should get power 4. So what we have to take k power 1 plus 4 z square, we want power 4 means k square plus z power 4 means we should take k cube. Z cube z square z k square k cube divided by, here z minus 1 becomes k whole to the power 4. Directly you can write like this. Thank you.